Have you ever wondered where all the McDonald's locations are around the world? Well, what if I told you could map them all right inside Excel? Yeah, that's right. Today we're diving into an awesome data visualization trick using Excel's 3D Maps feature. You'll be able to plot, customize, and explore thousands of McDonald's locations in just a few clicks. So, grab your fries, hit the like button, and let's get mapping. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Andreas, and with a master's degree in computer science, I bring over 20 years of teaching experience in Excel as a best-selling Udemy instructor. First things first, we need a dataset of McDonald's locations. A quick online search should get you a CSV file containing McDonald's store details. Though it might be a little outdated, it still works great for what we're doing. I found from Kaggle.com a CSV file dataset that includes records for every McDonald's store location currently as of September 2023. Here's the website. Alright, now open a blank Excel file. Once you've downloaded the file, go to the Data tab and select Get Data. From File, from Text/CSV. Let's find our downloaded file. Here it is. Open it, and Excel will load a preview of the data. If everything looks good, click Load to bring it into your worksheet. If you need to clean things up, you can use Power Query to adjust column names, remove unnecessary data, or fix formatting issues. But for now, we're keeping it simple and loading it straight into a table. Alright, over 39,000 rows have been loaded. Once our data is in Excel, we'll see useful columns like latitude and longitude, which are perfect for mapping. But even if those weren't included, no worries. Excel can work with just store addresses too. Before we map, let's explore the data a little. Excel's auto filter lets us check what's in each column. For example, we can filter by brand name to see that McDonald's might also include some associated brands. This will be useful when we want to color code our map by category. Also, there's some columns that we don't need them, so we're going to delete them. Okay, so we can delete name, store ID, subdivision, telephone, run hours, and services. Great. Now comes the fun part. Let's visualize all these McDonald's stores. Select the table with your data. Head over to the Data tab. From the Data Tools group, click the down arrow of the Data Model button. Click on 3D Map and select Open 3D Maps. Keep in mind that older versions of Excel, the 3D Map is from the Insert tab. Excel will automatically start plotting the points using the latitude and longitude columns. And just like that, we have a world map filled with McDonald's locations. How cool is that? Now let's make this map more insightful and visually appealing. You can use your mouse to scroll, zoom, and pan around the globe to check out different regions. You can turn the Map Labels button on to see the city and the country names clearly. From this button you can select different themes for your map. Switch between satellite, black and white, or color themes to make data points stand out better. Location options in Excel 3D Maps help you define how your data points are placed on the map. For example, I could change the location to country, and then the map shows us the countries where there are McDonald's restaurants. You could assign different colors based on the brand name column. Most locations will be McDonald's, but you can highlight the other brands in different colors for easy distinction. Open the layer options and change the color. You can also change the size and opacity. Now, if you add a category, for example, country, then 3D maps show you all the countries in different colors with McDonald's. You can also switch to heat map view to see where McDonald's is most concentrated. Zooming out, you'll notice major cities like New York, London, and Tokyo glow brightly. No surprise there. Did you know Excel lets you animate data over time? If our dataset had store opening dates, we could add a timeline to watch McDonald's locations expand year by year. You could press play and watch as stores pop up across the map like a time lapse. Unfortunately, this dataset doesn't have a store opening date field. And there you have it, a fully interactive, customizable map of McDonald's locations right inside of Excel. Who knew spreadsheets could be this fun, right? If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tricks and data visualization tutorials. And if you create your own map, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see what you've come up with. Until next time, happy mapping!